In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable cookies for websites in Mozilla Firefox, step by step, so you can control your privacy and still make sure the websites you use actually work the way they should. Whether you want Firefox to allow most cookies, block more tracking cookies, or customize your cookie settings for specific browsing needs, I'll walk you through the exact steps in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three horizontal lines, also known as the Firefox menu. This opens the main menu where all of your browser settings and tools are stored. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into Firefox's settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy to search preferences. On the left-hand side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This is the section where Firefox keeps all of its tracking protection, cookie controls, and browsing safety options. Now scroll down until you reach the Enhanced Tracking Protection section. Once you find it, click Advanced Settings. This is where you'll see the different protection levels that affect how Firefox handles cookies and trackers. You'll now see three main options: Standard, Strict, and Custom. If you choose Standard, Firefox will allow most cookies while still blocking known tracking cookies. This is the default setting and is a good choice for most people because it gives you a balance of privacy and website compatibility. If you choose Strict, Firefox will block more trackers and cookies. This gives you stronger privacy protection, but it may cause some websites to stop loading properly, break login forms, or prevent certain features from working. If you choose Custom, you can decide exactly which types of cookies Firefox should block. This is the best option if you want more control over your browsing experience and want to fine-tune your settings for specific needs. After selecting the protection level you want, Firefox will apply the change automatically. In some cases, you may need to refresh a website or reopen a page for the new cookie setting to take effect. If a site was not working before, switching from Strict to Standard or using custom settings may solve the issue right away. And if your goal is stronger privacy, you can move from Standard to Strict or use Custom to block the specific cookies you don't want. That's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to enable or disable cookies for websites in Mozilla Firefox by changing the browser's privacy and tracking protection settings. This is a quick but powerful way to control how websites behave while keeping your browsing experience more secure and more personal. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.